Automatic sub batching in ControlPro. I highly recommend watching the introduction of sub batching before you watch this video, due to the fact that during this video I will be assuming that you're already familiar with the process of sub batching, and so we'll kind of breeze over some of the more basic parts of sub batching. So we'll go ahead and get a ticket loaded up here. Right now you can see it's just showing total batch requested 30,000 sub batch. What we want to actually do is come in to add for the total batch pounds. We are 30,000, and the sub batch is based on our primary mixer capacity. That's what it's automatically setting at. If you wanted it different, you'd have to come into manual sub batching, which we've got that covered in the manual sub batch video. So as you can see here, our total requested batch is going to be 30,000. Our sub batch is 10,000. But let's say we want to go a little lower than 30,000. Let's go ahead and hit equalize here. Let's say I put in 25,000 instead. So as you can see, it changes the number up there to 33.33. Because we are in simulation mode and not running this normally, we're not exactly going to hit that number because ControlPro's set up to recreate some real world scenarios to help us simulate what may happen with different setups. But we're going to go ahead and hit process again. As we've stated in other sub batch videos, when you hit process, what normally is going to happen is your presets are going to be populated onto your loadout screen. In the case of simulation mode though, if we hit process, it just goes ahead and starts running this ticket. Now what's going to happen, because we're in automatic and we're not running on automation, as soon as it's done with this first sub batch, it's just going to keep going to the second sub batch. If you were running this normally, as soon as that first sub batch was done, like I said at the beginning of the video, it would bring the actuals back to ControlPro. It would then hit the process button for you, sending the presets to the automation and waiting for you to hit the start button again. But in this case, we just zipped right through it. So that's the quick and easy of automatic sub batching. It's very similar to the other styles of sub batching, just with some slight differences. If you have any questions regarding automatic sub batching in ControlPro, please reach out to Murray Equipment at 260-480-1340. Thank you.